Throughout history, humans have found innovative ways to make their world a better place. At BioBuilder, we believe that the next big stage of human innovation begins with synthetic biology.
Okay, class. Synthetic biology is where scientists can modify an organism, such as yeast or bacteria, and allow them to gain different characteristics. This may sound like science fiction. However, in practice, it is similar to how breweries have used yeast to produce their products for thousands of years. Modern synthetic biology is even more versatile, as we can reprogram an organism to do a variety of new things, including the breaking down of polluting plastics. But it doesn't stop there. Synthetic biology can be used in many fields, such as developing personalized medicines, designing organisms to create biofuels, and even modifying organisms to create high-end fabrics.
This is why synthetic biology is so important to us. BioBuilder aims to educate today's students through hands-on workshops and apprenticeships to develop tomorrow's innovators, ready to tackle the world's problems with synthetic biology. By inspiring today's generation, we can equip the next generation to do the same.